How to find best working eBay discount code. Now, this method I'm going to be showing you will work on both devices, which means it's going to be working either from your mobile phone or from your laptop. All you have to do is just to choose or to use any preferred web browser that you want, and then just head directly to your search bar and then just simply type in couponfollow.com. Now, this specific site is giving us a multiple amounts of discounts that we can use for free on available platforms that this website offers. Once you're here, just go to search for store and simply type in eBay. Choose on eBay at the first result. So as you can see, there are tons of amounts of discounts that we can go ahead and try to use. So once you already have an option in mind, just before you go back to eBay, just get here and click this option that says show coupon code for you to have access or a vision of a unique character codes on this specific option that you're choosing for a discount. So that's it. That's how you find the best eBay working discount code.